Here's problem 1. The first thing we're going to want to do is distribute through. Now here's my equal. I can't move anything yet. I'm just going to take care of trying to get everything combined first, and then we start moving. So let's just distribute the 3 through first. That'll be 3 times x is 3x. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 distributed through to the 2 is 3 times 2 is 6. Take away 5x. Add 2 more. Okay, on this side of the equal, I got to go ahead and distribute the 4 through. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus the 24. Here's my equal sign. So I got 3x minus 5x. 3x take away 5x, that's a negative 2x. I lost more than I gained. If I go to Vegas and I lose $5 and then gain 3, my net result is a loss of 2. So it's a negative 2x. Here's the plus 6 plus 2 more. Well, that's a gaining of 8. If you gamble, win 6, win 2 more, you've won 8. Here 4x is by itself. There's no other x's to combine with it here on the right hand side of the equal. 8 and 24, those are both numbers. Those can go together. 32. Now, what I want to do is I either need to get, I want to always at this point, I have x's and numbers, x's and numbers. I want to move all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other. I always like to take care of my x's first. And I move the piece that's the easiest to move. What's the lightest? 4 pounds or negative 2 pounds? Negative 2 pounds is pretty light, so that's what I'm going to move. How do I get rid of a negative 2x? I add a 2x to both sides. Add a 2x. So that goes away. I have 8. So 8 is left, the number's left on this side. On this side, we're going to have the variable expression 6x plus 32. So I got my x's all here now on the right side. So I want to go ahead and move the number over there so that I get x's completely by themselves. So I'm going to subtract 32, subtract 32. That goes away. I'm left with 6x here on the right hand side. 8, take away 32. So let's imagine you have $8 and then all of a sudden you lost 32 in a gambling debt. Well, you could give him all of your $8, but then you still owe him some. If we simply do 32 minus 8, we're going to see it's 24. And we know that we've lost more than we've gained, so it's a negative 24. Now, at this point, I have negative 24 equals 6x, or 6 times x. We need x by itself because that's who we're trying to figure out. A lot of us can see x as negative 4 because 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. Yes, that's correct. But let's say we couldn't see that. How do we undo multiplying by 6? We divide by 6. And that 6 divided by 6 is 1. And we will get 1x, so x is by itself. But remember, if you divide this side by 6, you have to do it to the other side of the equal sign also. And that gives us negative 24 divided by 6, which is negative 4 is equal to the x value, to 1x. So one single x is equal to negative 4. That means if I plug negative 4 in here, and here, and here, this left side will equal this right side. That's the only number that will make both those sides equal to one another. There's no other number that's going to do that. That's what all this is about, solving it to try and figure out what that x value would be that would make the two sides balance out and be equal. Problem 1, x is equal to negative 4.